Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your Avalanche tokens from Trust Wallet to Phantom Wallet. Today, I'm walking you through this process step by step. It's quicker and easier than you think. Whether you're a beginner or just switching things up, this guide will have you set in no time. First things first, make sure you have both Trust Wallet and Phantom Wallet apps installed on your device. You'll also need some Avalanche, AVAX, in your Trust Wallet and a stable internet connection to avoid any hiccups. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the Avalanche network. It's usually listed under your Assets or Networks tab. Just tap on it to access your AVAX balance. Next, open your Phantom Wallet app. Go to the Receive section, select Avalanche, and copy the wallet address. This is crucial, so double-check that you've got the right one to prevent any mix-ups. Head back to Trust Wallet, select your AVAX, and hit the Send or Withdraw button. Paste the Phantom Wallet address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the transaction details carefully. Don't forget to check for any network fees. They can vary based on congestion. Once everything looks good, confirm the transaction. You'll need to approve it with your wallet's security features, like biometric verification or a PIN. Now, sit tight. The transfer should process within a few minutes, depending on the network. Keep an eye on your transaction status in Trust Wallet or use a blockchain explorer for Avalanche. Once it's done, open Phantom Wallet and refresh your balance. You should see your AVAX there. Pro tip: always verify addresses and use hardware wallets for larger amounts to stay secure in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. And there you have it. Your Avalanche is now in Phantom Wallet. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.